how do you think the event is so far?
I think it's great. It's great to have such a mixture of speakers from various parts of the industry, and also people not trying to sell things but actually talk about some really hot topics that are relevant at the moment.
So you talked about gaming a minute ago. What can you say about it to our listeners?
Well, it's just to say that gaming is a really good environment to carry advertising messaging. So I think a lot of people think it's too invasive, but actually our research has showed that people actually are engaged, they are relaxed, they are receptive to advertising. And I think what we've found is if it has the right video in the right place with the right messaging, then it does really well.
Great. So last question. What do you think is the most exciting recent trend in brand communications?
I think for me it's trying to get the message over as quickly as possible, especially in video advertising. I think it's important that the branding's up front. We know that people do try and skip videos, so I think it's important that you get your message across in the first 3 seconds, and I think people have to be clever in how they're designing the ads so that it catches people's attention for where they're at. So I think the sort of trend is to make sure that we're moving forward in that way, and then we don't just take a TV ad and then reposition it online, because we know that just doesn't work.